Welcome back to Primetime News, and again, a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, at least 5 people narrowly escaped death after their homes were inundated by floodwaters in Trafalgar Park, St. Andrew, as heavy rains poured the island Friday evening. Quick thinking led residents, including 2 young children, to climb a fence and escape chest-high water. Now, we will get back to that story a little later on, but a popular food spot along Ruthven Road in St. Andrew was also impacted by Friday's heavy rainfall. Today, cleanup was the order of the day. On a typical Friday evening, the aroma of jerk chicken, pasta and other delights filled the air at the summit along Ruthven Road in St. Andrew. But yesterday, the scene looked very different. Torrential rains brought on by a tropical wave turned the street into a river, and what followed was destruction. In a matter of minutes, raging waters rushed through the popular food spot, sweeping several vehicles, flooding the pool, tables, and chairs. When our news team visited the location on Saturday, several persons were assessing the damage to the vehicles. Workers were also seen sweeping, mopping, and salvaging what they could. No injuries were reported, but the emotional toll and financial impact is clearly significant. Meanwhile, the owners of the establishment declined an on-camera interview, but told us the focus is on picking up the pieces. It may take days before things return to normalcy, but for now, it's clear recovery is on the way. In the meantime, Mayor of Kingston, Andrew Swaby, and other representatives toured the area impacted by Friday's flooding. Now, Mr. Swaby said the city engineer has been in contact with the National Works Agency and the other respective agencies, and so far the impact is extensive. However, our news team was advised that an assessment is being done to determine the cost of the damage and decide the way forward.
I know persons are a little bit frustrated, and at times they would have seen their frustration come up because there are situations that have been keep on repeatedly and nothing has been addressed to it. So I understand the pain, but we have explained to them that some of these issues that they are talking to us about is not the responsibility of the KCMC, but we have a responsibility to carry everybody to the table and so can solve it.